I just went to a book off, which is always bad news because you always find bargains, and I did. And yeah, so I bought some stuff. But anyway, I am on my way now to a record store that nobody has done any videos on or anything on YouTube. Nobody talks about this record shop. And I have done searches and not found anybody who's done a look at this record store. So I'm going to, and I'm going to take you there now to show you this record store. And this record store is like loaded with really good records. Now I've heard it's really small. It's quality over quantity in this store. So we're going to see so much good stuff in here apparently. So I've been told that this store is amazing and to bring cash because it's a big deal. So I'll let you know when we get there. All right, we are coming up to the record store. If Google Maps is correct, which we all know sometimes it can't be, but it's up here on the right somewhere. And I think you'll see the expression on my face change if we are blown away and we are in the right area, and it looks amazing. So it's here somewhere. I hope I haven't been given a bum steer, but it's around here somewhere. And I have found it. Alrighty, are you ready to come with me? Let's go. This record store is owned by the guys in the band called the Neat Beats, but nobody ever comes out here, but I do. So let's go. This is it, my friends. This is it. Let's go. Amazing. Oh, you're kidding me. That's one of the ones I need. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is awesome. This is so cool. Oh. Okay, more when I find more. I've never seen this one before, this version. Oh my God. Also, there's a choking victim here, check this out. So good, but that price, I can't afford it. The Japan section. Ah, man. It's just, I like all of this stuff. I want it all. Oh my God. Tomboys, yes. The Pringles, yes. Oh my God, there is so much good stuff. Look at these guys. Legends. I gotta check. Man, this place rules, and I don't know why nobody has ever come out here and talked about this place. All right, Sammy, look at this. All Japanese pressings of Beatles. If there's anything in particular you really, really do want, let me know. And I will buy it for you and bring it back. Wings, John Lennon. Okay, the rest is all solo. Look at that. That is sick. Toys in the Attic on 7-inch. There you go. Japanese pressing of Lost but Last Command. Oh, so good. What else we got? There you go. Bon Jovi, Manowar. Nice. Van Halen. This is actually pretty damn good. Let's see if we can find any Venom. Well, this is cool. Japanese Cinderella 12-inch. I've never seen this before. So this is a look at the one and only Top Beat Record Club. And this store rules. There is so much in here. And yeah, if you're ever in this area, come on down and spend like $300 like I've just done. I mean, and they've got some really good prices of these records. So I've found a lot of stuff that I've been searching for, which is really, really cool. And then when you're shopping here, you can meet international superstars like Hot Laundry, who are in the building right now because they're ready to rock tonight. Get yourself some merch. Check out these shirts. Unfortunately, they don't have my size. No larges in the white. I like the white more than the black. So hey, but yeah, oh well. Having a look here, tons of stuff here, and lots of soul records, jazz records, soundtracks. Yeah, this has got it all. I highly recommend coming on down and checking it out. Oh, there's a hip hop section. I wonder if there's any Ice-T. Here's one I don't see every day, and it's 1500, so I guess I better buy it. Awesome. So from inside Top Beat Record Club, it's been a pleasure, and I've spent way too much, and it was worth it. Please come and see this store while you're in Japan. Nobody has done a video on Top Beat Club on YouTube. This is the very first one that has come in here to show what is in this store. So come here, spend some money, meet some members of Hot Laundry when they're in town. And like, there is just so much cool shit here. Like seriously, this is easily one of the best stores that I've been to. It's very specific in what they have, and it's just great. Yeah, like, man, like this Damned single. Like, do you know how badly I want this Damned single? Love the Damned. Who doesn't love the Damned though? That's where all the Japanese stuff is, if you're just looking all for that. So, but yeah, so yeah, thanks heaps for watching this episode as I've come to visit Top Beat Club right here in Ogikubo? Yeah, Ogikubo. So come here, it's only a 5-minute walk from the station, and yeah, come down and say hi and grab yourself a bargain. I'll see you in the next episode. So take care of yourselves and look after each other and go buy some records. Wow. Okay, so that record store absolutely rules. And yeah, I highly recommend you come down and check that out. Top Beat Record Club. Prices are great. The records are awesome. There is a good selection there. Yeah, do yourself a favor. You've got to come to Top Beat Record Club. Like I said, nobody's done a video on this record store in YouTube. So this is possibly the first one. So yes, get on out. You know, it's worth it. It's worth the hike. It's not directly in Tokyo. It's like 4 stations away. But yeah, you will not regret it at all, my friends. You will not regret it at all. And if you're after any records by the Neat Beats, that's the place to go, because the Neat Beats, the guy from the Neat Beats owns that whole building. So yeah, there's a venue in there and yeah, all that sort of stuff. So do yourself a favor. Wow, thank you. Oh my God, look at these bags of stuff. Oh, good times, no hassles.